first is spending more than you earn, and that's the basic. If you spend more than you earn, you'll never be able to invest. It's difficult initially and it's a big barrier, but you can surely get there. Second is feeling happy about, I save and that's enough. Mind you, you will not be taken care of. Inflation will actually reduce your money. Your 100 rupee today will not be worth 100 rupee 5 years from now. So your rate of investment must match inflation. The third barrier is thinking that I will invest when I'll have something meaningful. Well, that's just procrastination. It's just delaying things. You have to start, learn, and learn in a small way with small amounts of your hard-earned money. Many think that they don't know how to go about it. That's a very popular excuse. There must be an expert. Finance is considered an alien concept. If you can't do anything, if you don't understand, get started with your bank or a post office recurring deposit. At least once the money starts growing steadily, you'll get to know the magic of compounding. The timing game is what stops many from investing. The excuse often is that the markets are crazy. They're either always going up dramatically or they're falling in a very unnerving way. But the fact is that you'll never get a steady market to invest in. So get started anyway, because waiting for the right time to invest, you won't ever get.